Okay, here is a pocket knife review of a pocket knife I got in the mail from the Olympic Association, and has many tools on it. I can only show you a few. Of course, there's the classic, just knife. Be very careful when handling one of these. Always keep your hand away from the blade. And then you get your nice saw. Actually works. It can saw through plastic. I haven't seen it saw through wood yet. And some of these are really hard to get out, but also a pair of scissors. Yeah, some of them I cannot get out, absolutely cannot. And on this side, the only thing I can get out on this side is the screwdriver. It does work. So, this is a pocket knife review, and, yeah, okay, bye-bye.